Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Alawael Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Slowly, ma'am.
A little bit.
Just little, ma'am.
It's okay as long as you can communicate with the employer is we don't have any problem, okay?
Yes.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, if you feel unwell or if you think that you have inside your body, then better stay in the Philippines, huh?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know which place she was designated?
Located, ma'am?
Yes.
Al Jabur.
Okay, so I want to remind you that you are here to work and not to meet up your family members, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. It's abroad.
Okay, so why did you
First time
choose?
in Malaysia, ma'am.
Sorry?
First time on Malaysia.
Okay, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I'm 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 working Malaysia for first time.
Okay, so why did you choose Malaysia?
I chose because I know that I don't. I chose Malaysia, ma'am. The another work.
You want to find another work here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am. Or
Okay,
another employer.
oh, okay. So I would like to know some few more details from you. What is your name again?
I'm Gretchen Barnabal, 34 years old.
Okay, do you have your passport already?
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay, are you single or married?
I'm single mother, ma'am.
Single mother. When is your birthday?
November 16, 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
I'm weight 70,
Okay.
height 1.123.
What is in feet? 5'3", 5'2", or what?
5'4". 5'4".
5'4". You are 5'4", are you sure?
I don't know, ma'am. It's because the medical report, the 1, 2, 3 like this, ma'am.
Okay, I will double check. So what is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
Catholic. What about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
So do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children?
1.
How old is the child?
12 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that you are a single mother and you got one kid. Who will going to
Yes.
take care of this kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
I'm my mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Only farmers.
Okay, what about your brother and sister? How many brother and sister do you have?
My sister is 4 years 4. She already family, ma'am.
Okay, what is your rank in your family?
What?
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
The fourth, ma'am.
You are the fourth. So, according to you, this is not your first time working abroad, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a working experience in Middle East. In which country?
Qatar, ma'am.
How many years you worked there?
8 years, ma'am.
8 years. What year did you started working there and what year did you finish your contract?
2017 start and finish March 2025.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Qatar?
I'm working for baby sister only, ma'am, or household.
Okay. You do the cooking,
No, ma'am.
laundry, ironing?
Ma'am?
Did you do the ironing on laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how
All
old?
inside the house, I'm working big, not cooking, ma'am.
Okay. So, how many children you take care?
I'm children two. The
How old
one
are
is newborn, the
Okay.
newborn, and the sister is 4 years old.
Okay. So, what happened? Why you decided not to continue working to this employer? Why you go back?
No man, I'm finished because I'm of the another country.
Oh, okay. So being an OFW is not new for you already, right? You have experience because you've been there for 8 years in Qatar. So
Yes, ma'am.
I know that being a domestic helper, and you know that it is a very tough job. It is not an easy job. But I would like to let you know also the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Malaysia
Okay.
here, employer is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East, okay? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Okay, so can you take care baby, newborn, or children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook?
Ma'am,
Can you cook?
go
Cook,
for.
cook. Luto, can you cook?
No, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you take
Because
your
another
elderly
country, ma'am,
Sorry?
kasi yung iba kasi, ma'am, iba naman maluluto sa Malaysia or sa Middle East,
Yeah,
ma'am.
it's okay. So we speak English, but as long as you can learn, then we don't have any problem, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you take your elderly people?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay, yeah? Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Okay.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Kids?
Yes, like cats, small dogs. Are you afraid of any dogs or cats?
No, 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 ma'am. Because,
So are you okay to take care, yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you will
Inside the house, right?
Okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract, yeah? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating the contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. It's very okay.
Okay, so we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then it's okay. You can come, work properly, you earn money to sustain your family's needs. But if you disagree, it's okay also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Okay? Okay,
Yes. I'm agree, ma'am.
okay. So normally, how do you fight your homesickness if you miss your kid or your family? What normally do you do?
I'm normally homesick, ma'am.
Sorry?
Normal is homesick the day work DHL worker.
Okay, it's a normal for you. Okay, so
Because
in Philippines you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia no such a thing. You need to follow the rules and regulations, and you need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, okay?
okay,
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
okay,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.